Hello, everyone. And as you guys know, I recently switched to Linux, and I learned so much. Right now, I'm on Windows, of course, but that's only temporary because I'm going to in this stream trying to install Arch Linux on a virtual machine on a on a Oracle VirtualBox, and I'm going to use nothing but only Arch Linux wiki, and if I really stuck, I'll use ChatGPT. I have it open here, but I I'm gonna use it as little as possible if I can. And I already download the Arch Linux, the ISO, so I got that out of the way. So let's get started. uh, After that, I can finally say I can I can finally say I use Arch, by the way. So download our lineage ISO, yes. Virtual hard disk. I'll give it 80 gigabytes. And memory, I can give him a lot. 32? 32 is a yeah, 32. Whatever. I have 64. So I can use some. Yeah. That's basically it. And let's start installing Arch Linux. Arch install media. Okay. Welcome to Arch Linux. Okay, and I'm here. Follow the to install Arch Linux. Follow the installation guide. That's the Arch Linux wiki, which I'm gonna go here and and do this one by one. Verify signature. I'll do this later to verify the installation. I don't think I would ever get a wrong installation because I got this turret from the official Arch Linux website, so it should be genuine. And boot the live environment. The default combo team app is using. So this. Can I probably need to make it bidirectional, right? Control Shift V. No. Okay, I'll manually type it. I'll manually type it in. So what I'm gonna do is do this. Yeah, I'll do this. Local etcl list key maps. Yeah, I I I don't think I really need those, to be honest, because I'm using the US keyboard, so it should be fine. Console phones are located here, 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 here. Verify boot mode. Yeah, this I don't think I really need this. Uh, not just Windows 9. Ah, that's how you do it. Verify boot mode. Cat sys my firmware EFI. No such file directory. The system may be booted in BIOS mode. If it did not boot in BIOS mode, you desire prefer the motherboard's menu. Yeah, it's fine. And IP link. IP link. It's just testing my network. Am I getting network? I think so. Ping archlinux.art. ping.linux.org. Yeah, I'm connected to the internet. Of course, it's on a VirtualBox. What could possibly update a certain clock? Yeah, partition the disk is probably where we should start actually. But let me do the time date CTL control. Yeah, right now I'm here. Now the partition disk should be the beginning part. Should be the real steel. F disk L. So device SDA 80 gigabytes. That's the virtual hard disk I have. And then what is this? The second one. I think this is the ISO. That's an ISO file. Dev loop 1, live loop 0. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Oh, yeah, it says and the loop can be ignored. So this loop one can be ignored, but the SDA is my virtual hard disk. And then I need to partition that using fdisk. So fdisk dev, and my here is SDA. Welcome to fdisk. Yeah. So delete a partition, list view and partition space. Okay. Yeah, that's if I have free enough partition spaces here. Yeah. Uh, so what I'm going to do is create partition, swap partition, and root partition. Okay. So let me do this again. Toggle multiple flag. Generic list free and list no partition types. Add a new partition. So n partition type p primary e extended for free. So p now what? Wait a second. Let me partition number default one. Yeah. File sector. Last sector. Of course, I don't want to be that. Don't want this partition to be everything big. I just need the. I just need it to be 1 gigabytes, right? So so plus 1 gigabytes. Yeah, that's how I did it. Okay, and then a second one is 4 gigabytes. Swap Linux swap. Primary partition. Okay, and then primary. Okay, 75 gigabytes. Formatted partitions. Okay, so do I need to mount them? I do need to mount them, right? Okay, no, that's not what I. Okay, I messed up. Uh, how can I get out of here? Okay, I already messed up. I'm just formatting the disk. Uh, uh, okay. I'm trying to install Arch on a VM, and I am at partitioning. I created the 3 partitions and I haven't format them or use them as EFI or root or whatever. How do I do it? I type exit and and they ask me for partition. Okay. Don't exit yet. If it's asking for partition, it's doing that partition is not in install range. Cancel correctly. Yeah, I mean mistake. To quit while saving, press Q, then press enter. Okay, Q. No. I'm in F disk, and I typed XIT. It's asking me for press Ctrl C. Is that easy? Okay. So I know what's going on. So W means write table to disk and exit. So it's should be what I can or anyway altered. Okay, that's done. And then I can make file system. Wait a second. Let me list them first. Okay, my 3 partitions is here, right? One is 1 gigabytes, one is 4 gigabytes, and the other is 75. So I can make swap def SDA2. Okay, that's done. Make file system ext4 dev SDA3. I think that's mkfs bat 32 dev SDA1. That's the EFI. So that's done, right? So if I run this fdisk again, it means they're all formatted, so I can mount them. So mount dev. So root partition is SDA3. So it will be this, right? And then the EFI system is mount boot. I don't need to make dir, right? Do I need to? Oh, I know what make dir means. Create a specific mount point. Yeah. And swap on. Swap on dev SDA2. Okay, that's the partition done. Okay, it took me a while, but I figured that out. Select the mirrors package to be so much download mirror servers, which are defining this. The more priority is given when downloading a package on the live system. All the mirrors are enabled. Okay. This file will install essential packages. So it's just to install this base package, right? So CS trap K Linux firmware. Okay. Other software can be installed or replaced post installation. So essentially, this is just installation, and it's installing the bare minimum. I guess if my reading is correct. Okay. Skipped running on ch root. I don't know what that means. Generate fast tab. If it's tab, I don't know if it's called gen fast tab or not. Gen if it's tab u mnt and edit in case of errors. So this should be nano. Okay. So it has all three. So it should be working. Okay, what's next? To directly interact with new system environment tools, change root into the new system. Okay. Set a time zone. Yeah, it's just a set a time zone for current. So I think I can. I mean, I technically can set it later. Time, date. Yeah. Uh, and I am in New York. I'm in the Eastern time zone, so so it should be in America, right? And in the New York N, right? America/New York. Yeah. Time, date, control, set time zone. America, New York. I think that's how I do it. Right? And then status. Local time is 22:05, which is right. Okay, I've done it. It's not that hard. Run hardware clock to generate adjacent time. Okay. Localization. Use the correct region language to specific formatting. I don't think I need to do this. Network configuration. To assign a consistent identifier name to your system, create a host name. So, nano etc host name. Huh? Host, I can use this. Host name. gmarch VM. Okay. Init to trim FIS. What is that? It's not required. Root password. Secure password root user. Allow permission administration afterwards. New password. Okay. Retype new password. So I got a new password. Bootloader. Create a bootloader applicable to your partition assigned installers. That's it. Installation is done. Okay, took me almost done. Almost done. Let me see the bootloader. So it seems like I either use Grub or I use Lemon or Clover. But I know that my all other of my computer is using Grub, so I guess I can just use Grub. Mount the device as in the remainder of this session. So mount point is ESP, which if I did everything correctly here, the EFI partition is here. So uh, 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 so did I mount it correctly? There is disk. What if I exit? Okay, it doesn't do anything. if disk. So this is the installed system here. Right, how do I configure bootloader? Do I have a EFI here? I don't think so. Then I'm not loading it correct. I'm not mounting it correctly then. What did I do to mount everything? I think I mount this one on the wrong side. Let's see what did I did here. Oh, I'm not. No, I mounted it correctly. It's in the boot. So EFI system partition is under boot. So on the boot there's these two. And I need to make a directory called EFI. Right? And I can go to EFI here. Execute function install. Grub install. Command not found. Target equals to x86 64-bit EFI directory equals to boot loader ID equals to grub. I don't think it will work because, yeah, command not found. Okay. First, install the package grub, and if I'm okay, so I didn't install the grub. Is that what happened? Grub, right? Oh, wait. PWD, I think. Yeah, I'm on the root. Okay. And how can I install the package grub? Oh. No. Pac-Man. Yeah, I already mount them. Yeah, I already mount them. Enter the install system. I already entered that, so it should be fine. Inside this, run this. Pac-Man S. That's it. Okay, that's so easy. I'm just need to use Pac-Man. Pac-Man S grab if I put manager. Resolving dependency, looking for conflicting packages. Packages 3, total download size. Yes. So, okay. So it says it means I installed those two. So, and then I can execute this one. Let me double check it. Grub install target if I do directory equals boot. Bootloader is this. Yeah, it should be fine. Installing EFI variables on the server on the system. Error. No such file or directory. What? CD boot. EFI. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. Uh, the next step you'll need soon. It's this. I try to run this, but it doesn't work. So what's the error message? No such file or directory. It says no such files or check a fish in the UEFI mode. System where EFI No such file or directory. You put it in BIOS legacy mode. LSBRK. I ran CTOR right directory. You are not booted in UEFI my mode because this. No need for UEFI boot manager. Install grub to disk, not partition. I know what's going on. So it's saying that I am not in UEFI mode. Okay. I see what's going on. I am in box and I just checked. I don't have UEFI enabled. Better long term, switch to UEFI. Power off VM, go to settings, motherboard, enable UEFI. Then reboot ISO and verify this. Okay. So power off. Wait, I got it powered off. And then I can do this. Okay, it should work. Okay. And how can I go back to? Can I directly use this LS firmware EFI? Can I do that? Okay, it returns stuff, so it should be working. UEFI is active. Then you redo grub with Pacman. This is to, and I can do this. So I think I need to go into the go into the thing. Yeah, arch. Fail to set up. What? I'm already in the root. Oh, I think I know why. Because I need to manually mount them again. Mount. Actually, mount boot. Did it crash? Yeah. I'll do this first because this is actually important stuff. And then I can do this. Yeah. And then swap on. Okay. And then I can go to this. Yeah. Okay. Whew. And I can use this grubbing store. Target 8664 EFI story equals to boot bootloader ID equals to grub. Okay, let me double check. Grub install. Target is this. EFI directory equals to boot. Okay. Install finished. Okay. The main grub boot grub. Remember to generate main config file. Okay, generate main config file. CFG. Generating and found this Linux image from this image. Warning, OS probe will not execute to take the other bootable partitions. Is on, then will not be added to grub boot configuration. Check done. Okay. And I think that's it. Restart the machine by typing reboot. Yeah, so exit and reboot. So this is the moment of truth. if I did everything correctly. Took me an hour to get to this point. Rich target system, Arch Linux. Yeah, the grub is working. Is it working or it's just thinking very hard? I'm a little bit nervous. Loading initial RAM disk. Oh, Arch Linux TTY 1. Oh, logging. LS password. Login correct. Oh, I need to log in this, right? And I'm in. Yeah. So does that mean I can remove disk? Did it? Right. There's nothing in the mount. Okay. Okay. So what's next? I installed Arch Linux, but it's just a bare minimum. I think I need to install user group, right? And using a graphical GUI, right? And I think I would go with KDE because I'm using Bad Eye for I'm getting used to Bad Eye, and Bad Eye is using KDE, so yeah. Create a user and group. To add a new user, just user add. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. User add. Okay. I add a new user. Groups root. So how can I log in using my new user? It doesn't tell me here. Yeah, Pacman is the Arch Linux package manager, I know. Activating learn log on boot up. Okay. Yeah. I can I can skip this. The most important thing is here. Install KDE. How can I install KDE? So probably it's Pacman. Pacman install Plasma Meta. Okay. Or maybe I can just reboot, right? And then I can go into here. It's asking if you log in, right? I can log in this. And I can do this, yeah. Yeah. So I think I need to read. Generate, install every package in this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I put up into Arch. Now, how can I install KDE? Update system first. Okay. Pacman SYU. Sudo Pacman SYU. What? I cannot sudo. Okay. Uh, can I log off? Okay. Says I can't run this. I am root. But I can't sudo either. Switch to root temporary. Oh, I know what that is. It's use this. And that's ask me for password. I'm root temporarily. And then I can do the pacman SSYU. Pacman. Oh, I need to install sudo. Oh, that's typical Arch Linux. You need to install everything. You don't install it, it won't be there. So now I can use sudo now. Pacman SYU. Can I do that? Probably I still need to do this. Add your username to wheel group. So user mod AG. Okay. Command not found. Nano vi sudo. I don't have nano installed. That's why. Pacman install nano. Pacman help. Yeah, Arch does not enable sudo by default. You expect to configure admin access yourself. Root access is always required for system changes. So I guess I can just install KDE first. Let's just one thing at a time. So temporary begin as a root, and pacman plasma and KDE applications. There are 68 members. That's a lot of stuff in here. Breeze, Discover, Flatpak. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Plasma Firewall, Plasma Keyboard, Plasma Logging Manager, Plasma all those stuff. And then here is all the applications. So I see Kate. I see FFmpg sums. Yeah, that's all the stuff, all the applications. So yeah, default all. Resolving to default one. Yeah. Python bindings. It's gonna download. Total install size 60 gigabytes. Okay. A lot of error. No packages were upgraded. Okay, that's a lot of error message. Do I need to run this again? Oh, there's a lot of fatal error. Why? Temporary failure in name resolution. That's why. Access denied. Really? I okay. Uh, install sudo. Yeah. I don't even have nano installed. Arch. Fresh. This bare bone. You literally built a minimal Linux system, not a desktop OS. No sudo, no nano, no desktop, only big packages. Pacman nano sudo. Pacman S means install, right? Packages nano, yes. Yeah, I don't have internet access for some reason. Why? Let me reboot. Advanced operation. Why I don't have internet access? I used to have it. Attached to NAT. Yeah. So I should have been temporary failure in name resolution. IP unknown group. Okay. Hmm. If Arch didn't feel like this, something should be wrong. Power management, multimedia, networking, network shares, input device. Okay. Uh, I'm not done yet. But at least I got the system installed, although it's super bare minimum. I I forgot what I forgot that command. What is that command? But yeah, Pacman, uh, Nano. Yeah, I want to install it. Could not resolve host. Unable to install. Said couldn't resolve host. I tried ping Google and it's same error. What the hell? IP. Oh, IP link. Noob say down mode. Default grid. It's down. Start network manager. Okay. System. Oh. Network manager service not found. So IP link shows down. What should I do? Power up the, yeah. It's gonna shut down in like 35 minutes. Really? How can I shut down now? I guess I'll just shut down here. Cable connected on. I believe I have that network enable. Yeah, yeah. I have that. I have that enabled. Hmm. I don't know what's going on. Uh, AIP link. So it's down. IP link set this up. IP link set EMP 0S3 up. Does that mean it's up? Okay. So can I ping google.com? Temporary failure in name resolution. Network is unreachable. It says up. DHC DHCPCD. I don't have this command. And I don't have network manager either. Yeah. Ping network is unreachable. Pac-Man. I don't have internet connection. How can I? Yeah. Hmm. So IP link, it says up, right? And then DHCPCD. There's no such command, DHCPCD. And I don't have network manager either. IP link is up. I can confirm that. Yeah, it's up. DHC, DH client, DH. There's no such command. There's no this, so DHCP is not working. Yeah. DH client. Can I still SY DH client? Can I still install that? I don't think so. Yeah, I can't. No IP, go to step 2. Yeah. System restart. Okay. Okay. Force restart. Then check IP address. Ping. Network is unreachable. Yeah. So I can use this. Echo name server. No. No. It fails. No network connectivity at all. IPA. Step 1 is it's already on. I already tried this. Check interface inside Arch. IP link, yes. Force it up. I already did that. Restart system EMD. UDVD. What is that? Then recheck. Yeah, so the first connection, the first loopback connection has the IP, but the second one don't. Okay, enable this and then start. Then restart. I don't have nano, so this step is not gonna work. Network is unreachable. Network is unreachable. IP link ENP LS3 up. Oh, set. I already did this. Restart. So this one. And enable. IP address. Yeah, still no looper. Make dir p etc system MD network. Can I copy this? No. System D network. Now create a file using here doc. Cat tc system D network 20 dhcp dot network eof match. Oh, name equals emp 3 network DHCP equals yes EOF. Okay, then we start networking. IP address. Okay, I got an IP address. Pacman Nano. Install Nano first. Yes. Okay, it's installing. It's already done. Okay. Pacman is why you update system. Nothing to do. Yeah. And Pacman install KDE. Or what? Okay. I was trying to install KDE. Oh yeah, and sudo. Maybe I can. I should. I install KDE first for my sanity. For my sanity. Plasma KDE applications. Okay. Default all. Default all. Yeah, just everything use default. Proceed installation. Yeah. It's gonna take a while, but my sanity should be restored soon. Fingers crossed. Imagine I don't have a VM. I would need another computer on the side to read all those documentations and troubleshoot. Jeez. I think I should go and watch the Chris Titus tech tip, that video about how to install Arch, because I follow all the steps and I still got into so much trouble. Okay, the installation is done. Install display server. Okay. This is what's the KDE loading screen. Okay. And if I reboot, I should have everything. Fingers crossed. Oh, yeah. Welcome to iRacing running KDE Plasma. Yeah, that's KDE. And system settings here. Okay, I called it Wing. Internet. It's also here. Volcom web browser. Okay, that's the default browser. It's Volcom. And Dolphin is here. I'm very familiar with Dolphin because Beta is using KDE, so and Discover. That's all the settings. Oh, that's all the applications. Okay, so this is the standard out of the box KDE. Okay, interesting. So I have console. Yeah, I have console. Okay, this is more like it. Okay, and then fix sudo. I think I'll close to stopping point because apparently my so I think I was here, right? User mod ag permission denied. Oh, yeah, I need a okay. I don't think that's the correct way to do it. editor editor equals nano visual command not found. Nano. I already installed Nano. Pacman sudo. Oh, because I haven't installed it. That's why. Yeah. Okay. And sudo as file. Default specification. Everything here is just oh. So will all equals all, that's this. So I can just uncomment this, right? So this should work. Sudo, yeah, sudo pacman there's nothing to do. Yeah, sudo is working. Network is fixed finally. Network manager. I thought I already enabled it. Install cable, yeah. I did that. Install a browser immediately. I already have a browser here called Falcon. Okay, so Arch Linux is so bare bone that even connecting to the internet, I need to do it myself. And oh, the time is not right, but whatever. Okay, so before I end this, I want to do this. Yeah. I use Arch, by the way. Finally, I can do this. Took me 2 hours to get to this point. My sanity is taking a hit, but apart from that, I'm I'm very much happy that I did this. I get to this stupid place. uh, okay. I guess that's it. That's it for this session. Oh, I need a rest. I need to go to bed. 11:31 now. uh, okay. And let me shut down. Let me shut down this thing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Phew.